as you can see now, we are on a kayak. Don't know how we got on a kayak, but we're gonna see what we can catch. This river right here. We're basically on Shoals Lake, and it's not really as clear as we thought it was gonna be. We're gonna see what we can do here. A little one just hit the frog. A little one. Alright, my dad just said he caught one. I'm gonna go over and see what's up. Hold on, don't take it off yet. Let's see the lucky fish that gets to be on camera. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. No, wait, don't let him go. I want to see it. It's on the camera. Did you just throw it? Was it a smallmouth or a largemouth? Alright. Alright, my GoPro just died. I just casted this crankbait out here. We're on the bank now. I just got this nice one right here. I kind of foul hooked him, but I'm going to get him unhooked and then get back to him. Alright, here we go. It's my biggest one of the trip. Let's get a release on him finally. Just right off these rocks right here in that corner. It's a nice one. Whoa! Almost fell. You're on camera. Show the fish.
Stop jumping, I would. A nice 3-pounder.
It's not a 3. What are you talking about?
What you had?
Maybe bigger than what I had. That's not a 3.
That's a 3.
Bring it to the bank. I'll get it off. There's a fish he caught. You can release him. These fish aren't very old because they.
Oh, crap. And he's gone. Give him a